We prefer removable bottom pans for our tarts. It's so much easier to get the crust out in one piece. Ryan's going to show you how.
Thanks for joining us here at Art Isn't Cakes. I'm Ryan with your tip of the day. Now that our tart is glazed and it is out of the fridge and it's been sitting for about 15 minutes just to kind of slowly come to room temperature, it is time to take it out of the pan. So all you need for that is a can of soup or some kind of canned good, offset spatula, either large or small, and your tart. So getting started, we have our tart, we have our can, and then we have our offset spatula. Go ahead and set up your can right in the middle. You're going to put your tart right on top. And you're just gonna let gravity do the work. And then once that is off, you're going to just take it and you can just set it right on the table. Sit out of the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. It's gonna help when we just take a spatula. You're gonna do it right underneath it. So I like to lift it up first. Kind of find an opening. So once it's in, I just kind of stick it in and I can just kind of do kind of like sawing motion all the way around. I hold my tin in place and then just either would move it right onto my plate or my serving platter. And there we have it.